I am Paul Blake, Junior Spokesperson, Agriculture and Water. Time come.
Davalle Grant, Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Commerce, Science and Technology. Time come.
Hi, I'm Rasheen Roper Robinson, Junior Shadow Cabinet Spokesperson for Education, Training and Competitiveness. Time come.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Reverend Tomlinson and I'm the Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Finance and Planning. Time come.
My name is Christopher Henry, Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Time come.
My name is Shamona Robinson. I'm the Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Gender and Infusion. Time come.
My name is Jesse James Clark, and I'll be the Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Health and Wellness.
Hello Jamaica, I am Kevard Bennett. I'm the Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Land and Sustainable Living. Time come.
Hi, I'm Dexter Martin, Junior Spokesperson on Information. Time come.
Omar Newell, Industry, Investment and Global Logistics. Time come.
Lenroy James, Land, Environment and Climate Change. Time come.
Hi Jamaica, I'm Wayne Strong, Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Local Government and Community Development. Time come.
Barney Byfield, National Security and Defense. Time come.
My name is Rasheen Hall and I'm the Junior Shadow Spokesperson for Tourism and Linkages. Time come.
Greetings Jamaica, I am Comrade Odell Martin, Junior Spokesperson for Transport and Work. Guess what? Time come.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Lytton Lewis, Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Youth Development. Time come.
My name is Olivia Rose and my portfolio responsibility is sport and entertainment. Time come.